In this video, we're going to go through the answer to question number 22 from chapter 10.3. So we're asked to find the function for which the Fourier series for f of x converges. So f of x is given by this piecewise defined function. So let's plot it and see what it looks like. So x across there and f of x up here. So from minus pi to 0, we've got equal to x plus pi. So it would have been, if it was just equal to x, it would have been down here, but now I've got to add pi, so it's going to be up here. It should hit the x-axis there. And for x between 0 and pi,